Former Union Minister and Congress leader Sachin today slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party for failing to deliver on its promises, despite being the government both at the centre and the state for the last 5 years. Addressing media persons in Shillong on Tuesday, Pilot said inflation and unemployment continue to be major issues in Meghalaya and the country as a whole, even as he questioned the BJP and MDA government over their inability to address these issues. Claiming that the Congress has always delivered on the promises, Pilot said this fresh team under the leadership of Vincent Pala will bring good governance to the state. He further said they will establish a dedicated state university with a special focus on job-oriented and market-ready courses if Congress comes to power, besides creating one job for every household in Meghalaya through promotion of mass entrepreneurship. He also spelled out various initiatives his party would undertake for different sectors like tourism, agriculture, digital marketing and youth and sports, among others.
The country is facing the highest unemployment ever recorded unemployment rate. These are all government figures. So therefore, on all these indices, the BJP and NDA government have actually failed in performance. They may be good on rhetoric, they may be good on media management, on spending money, but on the ground delivery, the BJP has actually failed in its performance. The Congress has a different track record. I don't want to go to history, but Dr. Manmohan Singh's government and this government, if you compare, 140 million people were lifted out of poverty. And today what we're seeing in government of India, BJP, is that the gap between rich and poor has become almost unscalable. It has become so much.
Meghalaya Chief Minister